In this video, I'm going to show you how to claim a RIA money transfer in the Philippines in 2025. To receive your money, you have several options. Cash pickup. Visit any of RIA's partner locations nationwide, such as Cebuana Luilia, Palawan Pawn Shop, USSC, or M. Luilia. Bring a valid government-issued photo ID and the PIN provided by the sender. Upon verification, you'll receive your funds in cash. Bank deposit. If the sender has chosen a bank deposit, ensure your bank account details are correctly provided. Deposits are typically processed within 15 to 30 minutes for amounts up to 50,000 Philippine pesos. Larger amounts may take up to 2 business days, depending on the bank's processing times. Mobile wallet. For transfers to mobile wallets like GCash, PayMaya, GrabPay, Coins.ph, or ShopeePay, ensure your account is fully verified. Once the transfer is complete, the funds will be credited to your wallet, and you can use them immediately. Home delivery. In some cases, cash can be delivered directly to your home. Confirm with the sender if this option was selected and provide your complete address to ensure successful delivery. Remember to keep your transaction details and identification handy when claiming your funds. If you have any issues or need assistance, don't hesitate to contact RIA's customer support. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.